Fiorella Sausage Ragu. This is a 100-year-old sausage recipe, my favorite. Just warm up the ragu a little bit and add a little water maybe, a little bit of butter, and a little bit of oil. Stick the noodles in, and then this is where the magic happens, right here. You slowly reduce the water around the noodle, around the ragu, and it's slowly going to release a little bit of the starch in the water. Then you add a little bit of olive oil, you add a little bit of the butter, and you start to thicken it up around the noodle, around the sauce. Very important. Then you remove it from the heat. You always remove it from the heat, and you add the Reggiano cheese. And then you need to emulsify all that fat and liquid. Very important. I like to toss it about 30 times. That's a good rule, the rule of 30. Then the sauce will be nice and thick around the noodle. There you go.
Finish with a little pecorino cheese.